In this tutorial, we will learn how to create 3D characters using Bing AI Image Creator.
First, search Bing and click on Images.
Next, click on Create. Copy the prompt and paste it into the search box. Click on Create to generate a 3D image. Once the image is ready, click on it and select Download. Let's try other examples.
I hope you like this one.
If you like this one, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.